Hi and welcome to PlastikCity. Today I'm going to show you how to acquire a quotation for screw and barrel components. So first of all, you navigate to the PlastikCity homepage on www.plasticcity.co.uk and you'll be presented with this home screen. Then you navigate down the main categories and you come to screw and barrels. You click on that and you're presented with four options. If you hover over the four boxes, it gives you a description of each one. So you've got new injection molding screw and barrel components, you've got injection molding screw and barrel refurbishment, you've got new extrusion screw and barrels, or you've got extrusion screw and barrel refurbishment. So let's go for a new injection molding screw and barrel. You're presented with a form. So if you click on the top, you put in the original machine manufacturer, let's say it's a Sandretto. You put in the year of manufacture, let's say it's 2000. Let's say the model, which is a Series 7. The machine tonnage, let's put in a 250. Do you have a sample, and is it available on-site or off-site? So that means if you have a sample that you could send to the supplier, then that would be one that you can take away off-site. Otherwise, on-site will mean they'll have to come up and measure up. Okay, let's say you can send it off-site. Screw and barrel diameter. Let's put in let's say it's a 17 millimeters. The LD ratio, if you know it, it's 20:1 say. The material that you will be processing, let's say it's a general purpose screw. Is there any glass filler in that material? No, there isn't, so it's a 0. But that's the details on the machine. Then you have to decide, do you need a new screw, or do you need a new barrel, or do you need both? Let's say we need a new screw. You put in yes. What wear resistance do you need? You have a choice between nitrided, hard-faced and through hardened. Well, as it's not a glass filled material, we can just go for a nitrided. Okay, plasticizing mixing components. Well, in this situation we might decide it's a polypropylene and it's got some masterbatch, so we might go for a barrier section. If not, just put no. Do you need a new screw tip assembly? And if so, do you need stub type or a spear type? Yes, we need one, and we'll go for a stub type. Right, do you need new barrel? If not, you can go straight to the bottom, but let's say yes, we do. Do you want a nitrided or bimetallic? Well, again, in this case we'll go for a nitrided. It's not a aggressive material. Then we'll have a look at the end cap. How many end cap bolt holes do we have? Let's say we have 8. Do we have any thermocouple holes? Yes, we've checked and we have 3. Is there a sample available? Again, yes, off-site or on-site. Yes, we can send it off-site. Do you require a new end cap? Yes, we're going to go for the whole lot. And do you need a new nozzle? Yes. Do you want a solid one, or do you want one with a removable tip? Let's go for one with a removable tip. You can then also put some extra comments in here, which may help the supplier. So any comments you want to write in there. Now, you may have a drawing of the screw, which could help the manufacturer an awful lot. Or you could have, if it was a refurbishment, you may want to take a picture showing the wear. But anyway, here you can just click on choose file and you can select from your computer to download that file, and that will be sent along with your quotation request. Now you have the suppliers. So these are the top suppliers in the UK, and first of all you can hover over to read. Let's just pull the page down a little bit. So the first one will be Technical Welded Services, tells you what sizes they do, where they're based, and you can click on the website know a little bit more about them. Then we have Magog down in Hertfordshire, Nordson Exaloy, TA Services, and I Am Technical. So once you've decided which ones, and I would always recommend in this situation you leave them all ticked. That means all of them will get the quotation request. And that's because if they actually have a drawing themselves, and many of them do have a library of the different screws and barrels, then they'll easily be able to give you a quote without having to come on site. So if there's any you don't want, all you have to do is simply untick them and they will not get that quotation request. So then you come down here, you put in your details. So first of all, just put down your name, and then you can put down your company, then you put your email address, and then you put the answer to the capture sum. But just bear in mind, we never share these details with anybody. We adhere to the Data Protection Act, so they are kept strictly confidential. And you then just click on Submit for Quote, and within 24 hours the suppliers are asked to send you the proposal. That's all there is to it. Thank you very much.